Now I'm going to fly with my new GPS automated Waypoints app, and first I'm going to connect my smartphone with the controller. Now I open my GPS automated Waypoints app. There is no connection. Now it is green, and I have connection to my aircraft over there. And now I open the application, and you see here the Google Maps in satellite mode or hybrid mode. Now I push on the locate button, and now I'm going to add a few waypoints. One here and one over there. And now going to click on config. 4 meters altitude and with a low speed. After finish, we take the auto land mode, and the last one I take the third one here and finish. Now I'm going to upload it to my aircraft. Upload, mission upload successfully, and now I'm going to push on start, and then it goes to the first waypoint, and then comes to the second waypoint, and then you do an automated land function. I can also hover back if he goes to the first waypoint with this button. Okay, I'm going to push on start now, and then he going to start. 4 meters to the first waypoint, or I can hover back with the controller. To the first waypoint. Okay, now it comes back to the second waypoint, or I can hover back to the first waypoint, or I can spin the aircraft around, and now it's stopping.